Our vision is clear: a policing service and security agencies where talent and dedication, not gender, define one's potential. Beyond our shores, we recognize the power of regional and global collaborations. The challenges and opportunities we face in advancing gender inclusion are not unique to the Maldives. By fostering partnerships, sharing best practices, and engaging in mentoring and joint initiatives across borders, we can amplify our impact. This summit is a testament to our commitment to learning from one another, drawing inspiration from global leaders in policing, and building networks that empower women in uniform worldwide. As we look to the future, I urge us all to embrace the Interagency Declaration on Leadership and Capacity Development of Women in Security and Law Enforcement as a milestone for collective progress. This declaration is more than a document. It's a pledge to uphold equality, foster inclusion, and ensure that women in security and law enforcement are supported to reach their full potential. Let's adapt it as a guiding framework, not just for our institutions, but for the values we champion as a nation. In closing, let me be a catalyst for this change, a moment where we commit to action, collaboration, and a shared vision for a more inclusive and equitable future. To the women in uniform, know that your contributions are shaping a safer, stronger Maldives. To all our partners, stakeholders, and allies, thank you for joining us in this journey. Together, let us build a legacy of empowerment and progress that will inspire generations to come.